Hello, origami enthusiasts! Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through the mesmerizing process of folding a beautiful star using just a humble dollar bill. It's a fantastic project that combines creativity and precision. Begin by valley folding the dollar bill in half from the bottom to the top. This simple step establishes our center line for the upcoming folds. And then opening it. Valley fold the lower edge to the center line. And then mirror this fold with the upper edge. These precise folds lay the groundwork for the intricate design that will unfold. Flip the model over and valley fold it in half horizontally. Give it a graceful clockwise turn, preparing for the next move. Make a cross fold by folding the upper edge to the right edge and unfold. Now, let's dive into crafting the star pieces. Fold down the tip. And repeat, creating a layered effect. This clever maneuver creates a guide for shaping the tip of our star. Unfold and use the latest crease to fold down once more. This sequence generates 4 identical pieces that will soon come together in harmony. Insert each piece one by one, following the carefully demonstrated steps in the video. It's the details like these that elevate origami from simple folding to an art form. Using a binder clip at this stage can be helpful. Take your time to avoid any confusion. For the last piece, create a secure lock by inserting the petal into the knot. Take a moment to appreciate the symmetry, the foundation of every great origami creation. Turn the model over and gently fold the petals down. Once again, secure the knots by knitting the petals together. Make a cross fold to establish a crease. Then perform a square fold accordingly. Repeat this step with the other tips. Remember, the key to successful origami is patience and precision. And there you have it, a magnificent star crafted from a single dollar bill. I hope you enjoyed this origami adventure. If you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring, be sure to give it a thumbs up.